This is a print of a Redcat Gen 7 spur and pinion gear cover. It's going to be from start to finish, and you'll see what the finished product looks like after it's been cleaned up somewhat. I'll fast forward through some of the clips. That's nothing but the printer working. Try to make it a little quicker. Everything in the middle there is support and will not be part of the finished diff cover or spur gear cover. This is about 1 hour in, 1 hour 2 minutes. You can see on the progress bar there, it is probably halfway. An hour 22 minutes. We are, the Z-axis, you probably know, is the up and down. It is at 14.4 millimeters. We now have the first layer of the top completed. We got the logo on top now. A little Redcat, demon cat, whatever that little thing is. Almost finished. 1 hour 45 minutes. Right now it is 20 millimeters tall, so Well, that is overall height, so the little legs that it's doing now. Got some stringing going on. It just pops right off very easy. And to adjust something there, made my retraction. And it is finished. 1 hour 52 minutes. This can be a pain. Yeah. You can see all that in the middle will be gone. So you just gotta clean it up a little bit. And we have a new spur gear cover. This one is going over to my buddy at ACRC Crawlers. Y'all check him out. I'll put a link in the description. We've got a really cool Redcat Gen 7. He's been building. I've been printing them stuff, and he's been some really cool mods to it. So we'll get this cleaned up, and I'll give you a shot of it after it's done. Yeah. there you have it. This is the waste material. And here is the finished spur gear cover. All the support material is now gone. Still needs cleaned up a little, but come out pretty good. Here's your utility rack I printed off. It's going to be a Velcro stand or mount, so I can get rid of the body pins on the new body that I have for the Vetera. So thought y'all might want to see from start to finish how the 3D printer works and what you can do with one. So if y'all like these kind of videos, or if I should stick to the trail running and, you know, videos that focus on the rigs, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave me comments. Let me know if you like this or you don't like this, what you'd like to see. And don't forget to check out ACRC crawlers. The link will be in the description. Later.